gonna be a good one. Do not fall in those. What's up, guys? Epic one today. Just a little over half mile in at the Haynes Ridge Trailhead. Just past it. Today we're going to do Haynes Ridge up to the North Prong Loop back down. It's going to be a little bit over 6 miles. And man, we're in for some epic views today. Let's do this. Now what I read was that the first half mile is pretty flat, and then the elevation gain is immediately right after that. We got 800 feet of elevation gain. And as you can tell, we're kicking it off here. But man, these views have been seriously crazy already. We've seen bison, roadrunners, prairie dogs, and the man who always beats me up the stairs. I wonder if this 800 feet is like legit all in one shot. And we're still going. And we're almost there. Is it the top? Yeah. Oh, this is a cool vibe, man. Yeah. Look at that.
Yep, all I need is pork and beans.
Wow. Here's where we started. I really do love it out here in West Texas. Just feels like adventure, you know? Making our way along the Haynes Ridge Overlook Trail. Beautiful day. Look what I found. Dang. It's the same ones from Gorman Falls. Oh. I wonder what those are. Grasshoppers are all over it. In the middle of nothing, there's like an entire ecosystem on there. There's no shade on this trail whatsoever, though. Nice little shade spot. Oh, with a view. Caprock Canyon. We found our lizard. All right, we are just over 3 miles in, and we are on our way off Haynes Ridge, back down, heading towards Fern Cave.
Yeah, coming up this after 3 miles or not.
No.
That might be a golden eagle.
Yeah, and it looks larger.
I bet that is one.
Coming up on Fern Cave.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Making our way down back into the canyon. Wow, there's some big boulders you gotta contend with. This trail is pretty fun. By fun, I mean adventurous. Thought it was going to be a quick 3 miles back. You're not moving fast on this terrain, that's for sure. There's lots of really cool scenery depth out here. This is where we started and we went up. Made our way all the way around that way and then came back down that way. This feels so much like Escalante right here.
Yep.
Wow. Wow, I didn't expect this. I hoped for it, but I didn't expect it. So, if you're still watching, thank you. Please consider hitting the like and subscribe button down there. This is the 3rd Texas State Park in our Texas State Park Adventure series. The 4th one's gonna cap it off. I don't know how you beat this, but we're gonna try. So, from Caprock Canyons, West Texas. Catch you on the next one. Oh, you think they got chupacabras out here?
I mean, if anywhere.
I guess there's bugs on this trail. I don't know. They're not touching me.